Hi, in this video I would like to talk about a basic acting concept that is very often overlooked. But this concept is at the core of what we do in acting at all times. And yes, I am talking about imagination. Whatever we do as actors, whatever we can create, requires imagination. It has to be imagined first. Quite literally, whatever you can imagine, you will be able to perform. Whatever you cannot imagine, then you will not be able to perform. This simple concept is actually very tricky to teach and to train because it's so abstract. Imagination, though, is a very, very natural skill that we all have. We are imaginative creatures. We have imagined and invented the whole world around us. Basically, we have shaped our world following our imagination. Your imagination is always there, is underlying everything you do. Sometimes we just need to unblock it. So if you like acting, I would invite you to start becoming aware and train secretly your imagination in anything you do. For every interaction, you can start thinking about, what if this interaction went differently? What if the people were different in some way? Maybe they had different voices. What if they were comic characters? What would happen if? And you know, kids do that all the time. And then people end up saying, oh, but kids are so much better, you know, than us at acting. And when I hear that, I just think it's time to unblock. You need exercises, and I can show you some exercises in some follow-up videos, or in this video you find some ideas. But in general, you can start training it in your own life today. Off stage. You don't need to go to the acting class, you don't need to be on stage. Look around in life. What can be different today? What if I look at myself in the mirror and I'm a very different person? We'll talk about that again in a follow-up video. I want you to start familiarizing with this concept. Imagination is at the core of acting, and it's at the core of life. Thank you very much.